What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Crichton. Did I say Crichton? Oh my God. Arrma Big Rock 6S. Now what I'm doing today, I'm gonna test these tires out. These Proline and MX38s. I wanted to test these out today. It's a few things I want to test out today. One, I'm gonna do a speed run with these tires. I'm gonna do strictly off-road because I really don't have too much on-road to do. I want to test, not a test. I'm gonna try it out on these CNHL batteries to see how they hold up, the longevity. But the main test is these tires. These things are nice and beefy. They soft sidewalls. They belted. They're pretty soft. I drove it a little bit with these tires on here, and they have hella grip on them. So what I want to do now, I want to see how it handles in open grass. I'm up here at Fern Hill Park. Oh yeah, and can't forget about my awesome light install. Just in case you didn't see my previous video, I added the Big Rock light kit that comes from Arrma. This is their light kit. So I got white in the front and I got red in the back. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that real good, but
oh shit. Here we go again.
This thing is a beast. I can't really do my speed test yet. There's a dog out here, and I don't feel like the dog running behind it. And then I gotta watch the dog because he ain't got no chain on. These tires do grip hard, I'll tell you that much. That is full throttle. Can't get a little closer. Whoa, it's rough up there. This thing is a beast. All right, I'm gonna check that speed real quick. Full throttle. Full throttle. I didn't catch none of that, but I got 43 miles an hour. It wasn't 50. So what I'm gonna do now is do some little jumps. And some bumps. I want to see, I mean, I know these shit have air control. Perfect. Oh. Perfect. I mean, if the grass wasn't wet, I could see a backflip happening. Perfect. These tires dig in. They dig in. Ain't no more sliding around with these on there. Perfect. Oh. Arrma tough. Yeah, these tires got great air control. Great air control. Let's do a side view. Perfect. I think I could pull off a backflip. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, this thing, these tires really hold it down. I ain't gonna lie to you. If it was dry out here, I would kick up so much dirt. It is wobbly now. The tires is nice and wet now, so you want their money? Right? Yeah, these tires have no slide effect. Still using that CNHL battery, so I probably don't have that much life left, but we shall find out. Get over here! Another thing I gotta watch, because the braking is much harder now. With these tires, so I'm gonna do another speed pass, see how that shit works. Oh. All right, let me check that speed real quick. $49 miles an hour. 49, not bad. Not bad. I think I can get more. These tires are perfect. A little heavy. A little heavy, but
yo, check this out.
oh. Oh, I got my GoPro in there. I need to stop. I ain't gonna keep doing that. But it hook up back here. You know, loose gravel, this thing gonna grip. Let's see if I can find my spot. I think that shit's right there. LVC, the battery died on me. I was about to tear it up back here, but seeing this battery is good. She already done it, all the way done there. Yeah, I'm gonna check these temps now, and we got, okay, no. 118 on the motor. $110 on the ESC, if you can see that. Batteries is at 118. Servo is at 109. Yeah, the temps ain't bad though. That was pretty hard. Yeah, but these tires hold it down, man. They're a little heavy. Let me cut this off. They are a little heavy though, but I mean, it's a lot of cushion, like spring action. Dang. Do that in slow motion. Not bad. Kind of like these tires. But as always, leave a comment below. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.